Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard algebraic expressions. First we will see the definition of algebraic expression. Any combination of letters or of numerals and letters connected by the symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division is called an algebraic expression. Once again, any combination of letters or of numerals and letters connected by the symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division, it's called an algebraic expression. It means algebraic expression means with the number we add any alphabet with the help of minus, plus, multiply or divide sign. This type of numbers are called algebraic expression. Here I give an example. For example, 5ab minus 3x plus 5, 2x plus 7, x divided by 2 plus 10. These all are the example of algebraic expression. Here what we seen alphabets along with the number, and the alphabets are different. It may be A to Z any alphabet and with any number. As we mentioned before, we will use the signs plus, minus, multiply, divide. So here also we use these signs. Here 5ab means 5 multiplied by a multiplied by b, minus 3 multiplied by x plus 5. These are the example of algebraic expressions. The several parts of an expression connected by the sign plus and minus are called the term of the expression. If in expression, if you see plus sign or minus sign, that are called terms. Individually they are called terms. Now we will see what are the terms. Here I take an example, 3x minus 4y. Here minus is there between two numbers. So this 3x and this 4y are the term of expressions. 3x minus 4y. 3x is a term and 4y also term. So here two terms are there. 5x plus 7. Here the plus is dividing the both the number. We are using here plus sign. So we have again here two terms, 5x and 7. Here the expression is 3x square plus 3x plus 5. Here the number is divided by two times. Here is 1 plus and here is 1 plus. So here are three terms. First term, second term, third term. So these are called the terms. The expression consisting of an term, it's called monomial. An expression consisting of one term, it's called monomial. If only one expression is there, so that is called the monomial. Here 2x, only one term is there. So this type of terms are called monomial. Here 5ab, this is also monomial. Minus 7xy, monomial. 20, this is monomial, etc. So if only one term is there, so that are called monomials. An expression consisting of two terms, it's called a binomial. If two terms are there, so that terms are called binomial terms. Here we have 2x minus 3y. Here two terms, 2x and 3y. So this is called binomial. 5a minus 2b. 5a and 2b. So these are binomial. P plus 2. Two terms, p and 2. Binomial, etc. An expression consisting of three terms, it's called a trinomial. If three terms are there, that is called trinomial. Here 2x square plus 3y minus 5. Here three terms. So this is called trinomial. 5x square plus 7x plus 9. Three terms. It is called trinomial. Now next, the expressions consisting of several terms, it's called multinomial or polynomial expression. Once again, if the expression consisting of several terms, it's called multinomial or polynomial expression. Now we will see some examples of the expressions. Give expression for the following. Now what we will do, statement is given. Now we are forming the expression. The statement is 7 added to P. So we have to make a expression. How to make expression 7 added to P? Means P plus 7. This is an expression and this is a statement. Statement is given, we are preparing expression. So P plus 7. So which type of it is polynomial? It is binomial it is. Because here two terms are there. P plus 7. So this is binomial. P multiplied by 7. The second statement, P multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied by P here, 7P. This is monomial. Statement is given, we prepare expression. 9 subtracted from P. Statement 9 subtracted from P. So P minus 9. It is binomial. P divided by 7. P divided by 7. This is statement and we prepare a expression. So this is monomial. Now more examples. 11 added to 2m. The statement is 11 added to 2m. So 2m plus 11. It is binomial. The next statement, 5 times y to which 3 is added. 5 times y to which 3 is added means 5y plus 3. This is binomial. So what we did, we make or prepare expression with the help of given statement. Now here what we are doing, we will prepare a statement with the given expression. Here the expressions are given and we are making the statement for that. 2m minus 11. So how to make a statement for this 2m minus 11? So 11 subtracted from 2m. 11 subtracted from 2m. Expression is 2m minus 11 and the statement 11 subtracted from 2m. Second example, P minus 7. What is expression? Expression P minus 7 and the statement 7 subtracted from P. Next one, R plus 25. Expression is R plus 25 and the statement 25 added to R. The last one, Y divided by 8. This is expression Y divided by 8. So the statement Y divided by 8. Now these are called statement. Expressions are given, we prepare statement. So what we learn today? We learn algebraic expressions. In the algebraic expression we learn monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Also we learn some example. Expressions are given, we made a statement of that expression and statements are given and we made the expression. Thank you.